Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this soft, warm cut crease makeup look using the very popular, again, Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So first I'm going to prep my eye using a concealer. This is by Too Faced. And it is kind of light, but it works because you want to cover up the actual pigmentation of your skin, since it might pull pink or yellow and kind of distort the colors. So yes, the Modern Renaissance palette, which was a 2016 must-have and classic. So we are starting with burnt orange, and I'm taking it on a very large, fluffy blending brush. I'm starting at the outer part of the eye, as you can see, and then I will slowly work it into the upper crease. So it's pretty much just all over the crease, since we will be adding another shade. And you must blend, blend, blend. I really like to take my time blending. I feel like it is a very important step as well. And yeah, I'm bringing it into the inner part of the crease and just going back and forth in circular motions. And I'm bringing it out onto the tail of the brow, if that makes sense. Now I'm taking it on a smaller brush because I did want to build up the concentration a little bit more. I felt like I kind of wanted it to transition a little bit. And this color is very pretty, and you can either, as you can see, make it very soft or very pigmented looking. And yeah, now we're taking Realgar eyeshadow, which is pretty much like a deep burnt orange shade. These shades were very popular back in like the 2016 makeup era, and they were honestly my go-to shades. I feel like they do really complement anyone. So yeah, I'm just working it into the crease a lot lower than I applied the other color, burnt orange. And I am using stamping motions because I want it to be deeper. So then I am going to take the color Red Ochre, which is a reddish brown, not like a red brown shade. And I'm putting it on the outer part of my eye and then working it into the crease, but in a more precise way, if that makes sense. And I'm sorry, I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in a very long time. And, right now that I've been getting back into filming, it has been kind of a challenge for me to try to explain myself or find like my position where I can film. But anyways, I will work on it, I promise. Now I am going to cut the crease with this flat synthetic brush. And I'm using again my Too Faced concealer. And I'm starting in the inner corner and just like working it into like a kind of oval shape. But I'm not going to go up extremely high. I mean, I guess it could be a little high for some people, but for me, I think it's like a nice height for the cut crease. So now I took the color Primavera. Okay, so the color Primavera pretty much is just going to go all over the lid. And this is a really pretty golden shimmery shade. I love this shade. I used to use this color religiously. And primavera in Spanish, actually. And yeah, I'm just pretty much making sure I get it very evenly. I'm going to use this Urban Decay color, which is Vapor. Anyways, this color is such a pretty inner corner highlight. And yeah, I really like how it looks. Blend those two colors on the lid together so they're seamless. Now I'm adding both of the colors that I used in the crease onto the bottom lash line, which were Real Gar and Burnt Orange. And yeah, that's pretty much what I did to the bottom lash line, and just added a little bit of the deeper shade. I use this eyeliner, which I do not really like, and these eyelashes are very pretty but dramatic. And here is the final makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I did use Whirl by MAC, which was a 2016 classic. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one.